Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Innr, these are RF-265 smart light bulbs, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these bulbs not connecting to your devices or not syncing or responding to the mobile app or anything like that where they're not working right, there's problems with the light, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to reconnect them to everything because they will be wiped out to back to like when they came out of the box. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this, is if you want to set these bulbs up in a new place or on a new phone or whatever, you can just go ahead and get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box to set them up again. So it's really easy. With them plugged in and everything like that, all you need to do is turn them, they'll be on. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn them off and on and off and on, and you're going to do that 6 times and waiting a half a second each time. So basically you're going to go like this: off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. And on the 6th time the lamp will blink, and that will just show you that it happened. That's how you'll know that the factory reset went through, when the light blinks, and then you can go ahead and set them up as new bulbs.